got something. Oh my gosh, got the whole pack. Look at all these fish. I don't even know what I got. What is this? Striper. A good one too. Decent one. Welcome to the party, people. Party to the people, people. That's a decent striper. I don't want to hook my finger. Welcome to the party, people. It's October. Haven't been out here since June, and the stripers are boiling, chasing bait, and hopefully we catch a bass. They're eating the crawdads, I think. It's fall, y'all. So, welcome to the show. I've been over here popping. Oh my gosh! Holy crap! Dude! Oh, that scared me. That's a good one too, son. Look at that one. Oh, it came off. That's alright. Quick release. Oh my gosh, I hope that got on camera. Fish. Tons. Down there. See, that looks like a bass the way that it's swimming right there. I'm sure you see it. It's like a beaver dam right there. I'm sure you can see the bait fish now. Look at them all. Oh, we got something. That ain't no dang striper. Oh gosh dang! Did you see that? That was a big old largie. Oh, son of a gun, boy, we got that on camera. Here we go. Oh! Oh! That was a good bite. I broke my dang line off the lure. Ah! Daggone it. Little smallie. I got you, little guy. Swallow the bait, kind of. Yeah. Ouch. Eat my dang minnow. I was just gonna catch you. I seen you. Now I got the dang hook in his mouth. Right on that corner. That's the way here. Bent my dang tail off. You little peckerhead. Look at that. Bent my tail off, buddy. Got him that time though. That's not a bad fish either. He's blowing pretty good. Come on. It's a little one now. Yeah, here we go, peeps. Another giant bass. Ow, 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 ow. Pretty little smallmouth. Ooh, they're decent. That's the best one of the day right here, sir. Best one of the day right here, folks. Yeah, finally. What is this? A little smallie. Oh yeah, come here, buddy. Oh, broke off in the boat. 13-incher right there. This is the best one of the day. Look at that. Beautiful little fish. You don't have to take a let me get his little fins come up. He's a cutie. That's a little bit better one. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, come on, baby. Let's make the day. Let's make the day. Nice. Don't do it. Get in here, baby. Get in here. Get in here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, the jig bite is the best. The jig bite is the best. The jig bite is the best. Look at that. Look at that. The jig bite. Yeah. Ooh, tickle, tickle, tickle. Yes. Oh. Well, it's the end of the day. It's been a fun day. Haven't been out in a long time. Thanks for joining us. Hopefully we got some good footage. Lost a few, caught a few little ones. It's a beautiful day. The wind was supposed to blow, but it didn't. A little breeze. It's not bad. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you next time on the next adventure.